Okay guys, so I found another skimmer device. Basically, if you come to a pump and you select the buttons and they kind of have to be forced in and they're not popping up like they should be, most likely you have a skimmer device. This one is the overlay that captures your data when you type in your button for your PIN number. That's being recorded and that's also being transmitted. So when you slide your card and you push the buttons, the numbers are being captured on this device here. Now as far as your card reader, if you pull this, if you ever go to any place where you can swipe your card, most likely this is what they put there. So if you could try to pull it and it's loose, most likely they have a skimmer device, and that's where they're capturing your mag strip or your chip on your card. So this one captures your PIN, this one captures your card.